Hi class! Today we are making a yummy mushroom sauce that is usually served with Taiwanese or Hong Kong style sizzling steak. If you watch my black pepper sauce recipe, this recipe uses very similar ingredients with a few exceptions. This sauce also goes well with the spaghetti noodles typically served with sizzling steak. Here are the ingredients. Like always, they will also be listed in the description box. First things first, you want to dice onions. To save time and tears, I always use a food processor. You will need 1 small onion or half a large onion. In a pot, add 2 tablespoons of butter and add the diced onion. On high heat, cook until the onions are soft and a translucent color. Add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Add 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. They can be either white mushrooms or brown mushrooms. Now add 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 2.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a half teaspoon of sugar or monkfruit sweetener for those of you doing low carb. Add a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Continue to stir and mix all the ingredients evenly. Now add 1 cup of chicken stock. Once the sauce comes to a boil, add the remaining 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir and incorporate the butter. Now add a slurry that is a mixture of 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Boil until the sauce thickens. Once the sauce has been reduced, do a quick taste test to check if you need to adjust the salt level. You see, the best part about making this sauce at home is that you have the option to adjust the sweet or salty level to your liking. Once the sauce has thickened, you can remove from the heat. Since this recipe makes multiple servings, you can put it in the Tupperware and store in the fridge and use whenever you need it. The shelf life in the fridge is about 2 weeks. If you enjoyed this recipe, please comment and let me know if you made it and how you liked it. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.